Professor George Kanyeihamba, a former justice of the Supreme Court, says he recently turned 83. Today, the State Minister of Lands Sam Mayanja visited Kanyeihamba at his home in Buziga, Kampala. Professor Kanyeihamba told the minister about encroachers on his land in Lutembe Dewe in Wakiso district.
Former mayor of Imperial Municipality has grabbed my land in Dewe, Buziga County.
Professor Kanyeihamba argues that the rights of self-help can be applied to evict the encroachers and accuses an official from the Office of the Presidential Advisor on Veteran Affairs of asking for a bribe to carry out the eviction.
I said, how much is facilitation for going to demolish the building which is on my land illegally? He said 1 million shillings. Fortunately, I had been coming from the bank. I handed over that 1 million. Then later he consulted with fellow corrupt people, and he said that is not enough.
Personally, I'm going to ensure that that statement is picked by the relevant authorities and a person named there really picked. That means arrested, is taken to make a statement and prosecuted, because Professor Kanyeihamba is here, he can witness.
Kanyeihamba also claimed that at the time when he was unwell, the encroacher, who he describes as a friend, brought lease papers prepared by his lawyer, which he signed, but later discovered some irregularities in the document.
He deceived me. Many of you are Christians. You know Jesus was betrayed by Judas Iscariot.
An agreement is not signed by one person. If Professor Kanyeihamba signed on one hand, that would be his signature, because he could have signed it by his hand, but not in his full faculties. Now, the other one who signed will be caught.
Professor Kanyeihamba, one of the framers of the Ugandan Constitution, says there are not any inconsistencies when it comes to the matters of the land law, but rather the implementation of this very law is where the challenge is. More often than not, there have been allegations that whoever has a bigger check is always given priority by the responsible authorities when it comes to land matters, and therefore it is something that needs to change. Sudhir Byaruhanga, NTV.